Today I will tell you how to update the profile of MPLAD web portal of an employee. When the DDO was changed, how to update mobile number, name and designation of the new one. So log into IA main ID, go to my module, then development work, then you will see the master configuration option, click here. Then you will see manage employee, click here. You will see these IDs of your portal here. Then if you want to update any ID of that, these ones you have seen, just click on this update button. Type the new name of the new DDO here, fill the phone number, change the date of birth here, and then click on update. That's it. That's the thing you want to do for update the details of your DDO or any employee changed from your district level. Thank you.